I'm Sam from Fine and Country. Welcome today to the beautiful Leicestershire village of Bitteswell. Behind me sits the lodge, a fabulous Georgian residence constructed in 1832 and owned by the Twinings tea family for a period of time up to 1906. In my 23 years in the industry, I've yet to witness such a stunning Georgian period property like this. We have 5.3 acres of beautiful gardens and parkland. Come with me and we'll show you around. The lodge is a beautiful unlisted period property. Constructed originally in around 1834, it was occupied by the Twinings tea family until approximately 1906. Steeped in history, this beautiful period home has outstanding features throughout and an array of bedrooms. In total, there are 8, 5 in the main house and another 3 in a separate self-contained wing. There are some beautiful, well-appointed reception rooms, all with stunning views. There's a large kitchen breakfast room with a flagstone floor and gas-fired Aga providing a beautiful focal point. There is ornate ceiling cornicing, and a curved mahogany staircase that leads to a large landing. Some of the sash windows have their original shutters and have been restored by the present owners. In total, there are 6 bathrooms and shower rooms, providing ample facilities for a family and their guests. At the rear of the house, there is a self-contained courtyard and a separate wing of the lodge that provides 3 double bedrooms and a couple of reception rooms. You join me as we leave the Victorian orangery behind me on this beautiful sun-drenched terrace at the back of the property. If you'd like to know more about this home and join us for an exclusive viewing, then please contact us on the details that are about to follow.